couple of weeks ago, we had a windstorm and some really big branches came down on our yard. And then, Papa brought it all together into one huge pile, and it's turned into clutter. He's probably thinking, I'm using a chainsaw. I can't believe I'm using a chainsaw. Sometimes life can get pretty messy, and believe me, I know messy. So, how is your clutter? How could you clean it up? Could you help a friend to clean up their clutter? This week, look for clutter in your own life or a friend's, and instead of seeing it as a mess or a problem, look at it as an opportunity to clean things up, because it's always great to find your yard again. Hey!
Yeah,
What are you doing?
I'm using a chainsaw.
Silly Papa.